Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can send files inside your Mega app account or from your cloud drive there to the chat, to your contacts for example. So let us guide you through this. So guys, this works only through the web application of Mega, so it doesn't work with the desktop app. So what you want to do is log into your account. And then guys, what you want to do next is navigate to your cloud drive. You may expand it here on the left hand side, navigate to the given folder with the files. I will go with, let's go with this file here, right? So what you want to do is click into that symbol here in the bottom right, and then hover mouse over share. And instead of sharing the link or the embed code, you may use this option send to chat. Then guys, you will see that chat window, so you may look for the given contact here or click into that button below. Now as you can see, I have no one in my contact list with that example account, so you will see the given person here. You may click into send it there. You can send also a note to yourself, and again you will see the receiving person here, and then click into send to send the given file to the chat. And here guys, you will be navigated to the chat. You can go through these chats with the given person. So I started a chat with myself for the sake of this tutorial, and you can keep writing these messages here into that field. And that's basically it guys. So you can navigate your contact list here as well. That's how it works. So let's assume, for instance, you have already a conversation with one of your contacts, right? So in this case, you navigate to the chat with the given person, click into the chat, and you will see also this button here next to the text field plus. And from there guys, you can send a file from your cloud drive using the method I just showed you, or from your computer. So if you'd like to send one from your cloud drive, select the given file here, click into attach, and send the message to the given user guys. That's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.